Welcome to Bootstrap tutorial in the continuation of layout designing. So I have just removed the rest of the text. Let's have an introduction or a title for this text as well, and then we'll talk about the table. At the top of it, I will just have a title which is called introduction, and then it should have a class, and the color of the class should be text primary. So now let's refresh it and see. This is the color of this text is text primary. At the below of this text, I want to have a table. I want to just put a very simple table here inside the section, and I want to put a comment and say that table section. And below that, I will open the tag of the table and close it, and then inside that I'll have two sections. One is t head and another one is t body. Inside the t head I'll have a tr or table row, and inside it I have a th. I want to have some title here, for example ID, and then I want to copy it and paste it here. ID name, father name, and phone, for example, and here I want to have email, and here contact, for example, or other contact. So let's go and jump into the t body. Here I want to have a tr, and inside the tr I want to have a td. Let's have the ID number 1 and the another one is name. For example, it should be John, and okay. Another one is father name. The father name should be, for example, Khan, and the phone number should be something like this. Another one is email. I want to just have a test@gmail.com, and other contact, for example, there should be another test@gmail.com or website test.com. So right now I want to copy paste it 2 or 3 times. 1, 2, 4. Just I want to change the ID. The rest should be the same because this is just a test. It should be 2. Now if I come here and see, this is a very simple table, but Bootstrap has some classes for it. The first class in the Bootstrap is the table itself. It is a class. So come into the table, inside the table, and introduce a class. Name of the class is the table. It has a very specific and good design. See how nice it is. And now we have more classes. Another one is table-hover. Control S and save it. So right now it looks very static. If I refresh it, and now if you put your cursor, so right now it has some hover color. Another one is table-striped. So if I save it, so right now the color is changed. For example, it is striped. The another one is table-border. So the table will take a border here. So right now it took some border, and also we have table borderless as well. So if you put that, the border of the table will be removed, but I want to have it as a border. And there is another class as well, which is table-dark. For example, that it has some color. For example, I want that to be dark. So right now this is dark, but I don't want this to be dark. just I want to come to the table header, and this one should be table dash, for example, primary. Right now, and refresh it. So right now it is primary. It is a good color, but maybe you want success. This is another color. Just you want to give to the bottom, to the header. Right now this is the table. We will have some more classes, so you can have all the other table, for example, colors like table primary, table success, table warning, table info, and much more.